SAP MM usually isn't the weak spot. The drag on accounts payable starts earlier, when your team is still opening PDFs and typing invoice data into the system by hand. That upstream gap between unstructured documents and structured SAP data is where hours disappear, errors creep in, and invoice processing slows down. Once accurate data is in SAP, the downstream workflow is strong. Purchase orders, goods receipts, invoice checks, and approvals can all run the way they were designed to. The issue is that invoices, delivery notes, and other supplier documents don't arrive in one clean format. Every vendor structures fields, line items, and references a little differently. Traditional OCR can read characters, but it often misses business meaning. AP still has to interpret the document, find the right SAP fields, and correct what the system couldn't understand. AI document processing sits in front of SAP as a pre-processing layer. First, it identifies what kind of document has arrived, like an invoice, a delivery note, or a supporting attachment. Next, it extracts the fields and line-level details that matter, then validates them against vendor records, material data, purchase orders, and other open SAP documents. Use a full-screen avatar to create a more immersive and personal moment in the video. Switch to a close-up of the avatar to emphasize an important point or instruction. In a manual MIRO process, AP reads the invoice, searches for the right purchase order, checks receipts, keys fields, and then works through mismatches one by one. With AI in front, the invoice is extracted and validated first. The system checks PO and goods receipt status, applies three-way match logic, and can post automatically when values are within tolerance. When something doesn't fit, the exception is routed with the right context already attached. Your team reviews the real issue instead of rebuilding the case from scratch inside MIRO. The same approach also supports goods receipt and MIGO-related flows by connecting document understanding with receipt status and material movement context. That gives AP and operations a more complete picture across the process. The payoff is practical. More invoices handled without adding headcount, faster cycle times, better discount capture, cleaner audit trails, and people-focused where judgment matters most. The smart place to start is MIRO invoice automation first, then expand from there. Artificio's AI document processing sits in front of SAP as a pre-processing layer. First, it identifies what kind of document has arrived, like an invoice, a delivery note, or a supporting attachment.